just wanting to show you our wet bags and how to use them. So here we have the large wet bag in aqua colour, and here we have the small in hot pink. As you can see, easy to use zip opening, and there's the inside where you put your used pads. So how many pads can you fit in one of these? Wait for it. Here I have some that I have rather beautifully folded for you. So I've got 2 maxes and 4 regulars, and that fits quite comfortably into the smaller wet bag. I'll just show you the large wet bag. I've put 3 slim megas and 4 maxes, and they would all fit in there quite comfortably too. So the question is, how do you actually use them? What are they for? Well, you can use them in 2 ways. You can use them simply to store your used pads. So just take your soiled pad and pop it in the wash bag until it's wash day, and then when it's wash day, just take them out of the wet bag and put them into the washing machine. You can use one of our wash bags, of course, if you like, to store them in the washing machine, or you can just chuck them straight in. So that's those pads, storing in a waterproof wet bag. So the other way of using the wet bag is for storing pads that you've used and then rinsed and maybe done some stain removing on. So imagine this is your soiled pad. You would take it, rinse it under the tap, give it a rub, and then take a stain remover stick. This is the one we sell, Bunch of Farmers. It's really nice, it's all natural, and it smells of lemon. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you would rub that and get a good froth, a good lather, and then you would store that ready for washing. Just store it completely wet in your wet bag, and then when you're ready to wash, take all the pads in the wet bag out and put them in your washing machine up to 60 degrees. Now, our wet bags are completely waterproof, and that means no leaks obviously, but it also means that things might start going mouldy if you leave them in there too long. If those are completely soaking pads, I wouldn't leave them in for more than 2 or 3 days before washing. So this is one combination of the number of pads you can fit into the small wet bag.